Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are very well and safe at your home. Today, we are going to start a new chapter, that is lesson number 18, Games We Play. By watching this word games, so many ideas that occurs to our mind. Games means that is to do fun, right? Instead of reading and writing, the best option for you people are games to play, right? You are always eager to play outside. Unfortunately, due to COVID-19, we are not playing outside, but instead of that we are playing nowadays indoor games. We already understand the difference between indoor games and outdoor games, right? And we have seen so many games through the video, and I hope that you learn so many new games through the video, right? Okay, here in the picture, if you will observe, what you can see, what comes to your mind by looking at the picture first? Okay, let me tell you. This girl is playing with so much interest. The boy is looking to her, and this girl, it seems she might be confused. What do you think? Why she looks like confused? Yeah, she might be not knowing how to play, right? And she might be her mother. Okay. Here the numbers are written in columns, and here is the marker, right? Okay, fine. Let's go through the text. All the children were playing hopscotch in the lane. This is hopscotch. Avantika and her sister Nandita were also playing. It seems she is Avantika and this is Nandita. But Nandita was not able to play the game in the right way. She was not knowing about this game. Avantika says, "Listen to me carefully, Nandita. Understand the game. Throw the marker in the first box. Then on one leg jump over this box into the next one." Okay, see, all the children are playing hopscotch. Okay, Avantika and her sister Nandita are also playing, but it seems Nandita is so confused and she is not able to play. So Avantika told her sister that please listen to her carefully so she can understand the game and she can play. Okay, how she explained? She told that first you have to throw the marker in the first box. Then you have to jump by lifting your leg throughout that box. Okay, in the next one. Keep in mind you can put both your feet down together only in the boxes mark 4, 5 and 7, 8. Up to here you have to come with your single leg, but here you can put both of your feet, right? Okay. Take care your feet should not touch the lines. If they touch you, you are out of game. Okay. When you reach the last box, turn around, jump and turn around. When coming back, pick up the marker and bring it back. Now, throw the marker in the next box. Similarly, keep throwing the marker in all the boxes one by one and continue the game. I'll send you the video how to play hopscotch. Okay, fine. And then you can even play the game alone or even with your siblings. All right. The children started playing again. Since long, Kaki was watching them play. See, she is their auntie maybe. She too felt like playing with them. She could not keep herself from asking, "Can I play with you?" The children laughed aloud. Avantika says, "Kaki, will you play?" Kaki says, "Do you think I do not know how to play hopscotch? At your age, we played so many different games." Okay. By seeing, by watching the children playing their hopscotch, she is looking forward for that. She also wants to play the game, so she hesitantly asking Avantika that she can play. Then Avantika got surprised and asked to her that Kaki, will you play? So Kaki says, do you think I do not know how to play hopscotch? At their age, they played so many different games. Kaki says. Nandita says, which games did you play, Kaki? Kaki says, Langdi, hide and seek, seven tiles, and so many more. In Kabaddi, our team was the best among 10 villages. Okay, Kaki shared that which games she played while at her age, and they were Langdi, hide and seek, seven tiles, means Satodyu, so many more. And she was proud by telling that in Kabaddi, their team was the best among 10 villages. Rajat says, Chachi, how did you get so much time? We hardly get any time to play. What Kaki replies, you are so busy watching TV all the time. We already know we are spending our most time on screen or by watching TV. So we are not getting time to play outside, right? Nandita says, Kaki, did Kaka play these games too? Kaki says, your Kaka says that he used to play marbles, seven tiles, wrestling, kabaddi, gilli danda, and so many other games the whole day. While flying kites, he would even forget his meals. Okay, then Kaki shared which games played by Kaka, and they were playing marbles, seven tiles, wrestling, like a kusti, kabaddi, gilli danda, and so many other games the whole day. And she told that while playing with kites, even Kaka skip the meals. He is forgetting to take the meals. Nandita says, Kaki, do come and play. Kaki started playing with the children. They had been playing just for a short while when it started raining. Okay. Think and write. Which games do you play? Means nowadays, right now, you are playing games, right? So, which games do you play? You have to write over here. Okay, as homework. Okay, as soon as rain start, all children says, oh no. Kaki says, let us go to my house. We will play inside. The children were happy to hear this. All the children says, come on, let us go to Kaki's house to play. The children came to Kaki's house. Inside the house, Kaka and Foi were playing chess. Avantika says, what should we play? Rajat says, let us play doll's house. Gargar. Many children says, yes, let's play doll house. Rajat says, if we had a doll, we could have played with it. Kaki says, do you want a doll? Let us make one right away. So, Kaki took out some old cloth. With Kaki's help, children made a doll. Some children wanted to play carom and others ludo. They formed groups and started playing. This is indoor game. Which game do you think it is? You can recognize this game? Yes, it's chess. Okay. I have given this exercise as a homework. I hope you all have done. And those who have not done, please do complete it as soon as possible. Once again, I am explaining it. You have to write the names of games that mention in the lesson. Here, you can play that game in home or outdoor, right? So indoor, if you can play the game indoor, then you have to draw the house, and if it's outdoor game, then you have to draw a tree. Okay, number of players that requires for that game, and here which things you require to play the game. Okay, thank you.